Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a video power balun hub. I've got this balun hub here. If you look at the back of it, there are BNC connectors going across, and then there are these Cat 5 jacks or RJ45 jacks to bring in cameras in here. Now it says 4-in-1, meaning this port can support 4 signals coming in. It's used to link another receiver of this type, and then each of these gets connected to a video power balun connector. I'll show you that in a second. So this port, each of these little lit ports provides video and power to a camera, and then takes the video out and puts it into a BNC so you can connect it to a DVR. So this is a loop out. And here, this is a 110 volt jack to connect a power cord into your outlet. The front of this device doesn't look very impressive. It's just a plain unit with an on-off switch. That's all. So I'm going to show you how this works. I have a BNC cord coming in from my DVR. I'm going to connect it into the loop out for channel 1. So I'm just going to connect it here. So again, loop out means video goes out. Then I've got my camera here. This is a HD camera that is a 4-in-1 camera. It has a little dongle on it. Lets me switch the signal to CBI, TVI, and AHD. So what I'm going to do is, I already have it in TVI mode. I'm going to connect a video power balun that I told you about. You need one of these connectors, and it has to be HD signal capable up to 1080p for it to work with this unit, since the unit is able to support up to 1080p signals. So I've got this here. I'm going to connect the female end of my power jack into the male end of my video power balun, and I've got a BNC. I'm going to connect the BNC. So what I've done is I've turned a BNC camera into RJ45. This thing doesn't mean it's an IP camera now. It's still just an analog camera, but I can send a signal over network cabling. Please don't connect an IP camera to the balun power hub because you're going to fry it. That's very important. Don't connect an IP camera into this power balun hub, otherwise you're going to fry it. This is just to run an analog camera up to 1080p. Unless you're watching this video in the future, and then we have it capable of supporting higher resolutions. But this model at this moment in 2019 supports only up to 1080p. I've got my cable, and now I'm going to connect it into one of the lit ports for 1, corresponding to 1, and watch the video signal here. It says it's loading because the DVR detects it. And here I've got my video. I'm waving my hand. It says TVI on my XVR. And I've got a good clean signal without any lines going through or anything like that. If you have lines going through your video, there are 3 possible reasons. First, you've got a cheap video power balun. It doesn't work properly. It's not transmitting a good signal. Second, your cabling is cheap, or somewhere it's messed up where it's actually causing a signal issue. Third, you have a grounding issue, either because of the structure the camera's mounted on, or you have a high power line passing right by near the cable. So those are the possible reasons you would have those signal issues. Thanks for watching.